thunderstorm warning for western Isle of Wight County in southeastern Virginia, northeastern Southampton County in southeastern Virginia, northeastern Prince George County, the southwestern city of Suffolk in southeastern Virginia, eastern Sussex County in southeastern Virginia, Surrey County in southeastern Virginia, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:51 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles south of Homeville to Sedley to Carsville, moving north at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Homeville around 4:55 p.m. Wakefield, Ivor, and Zunail around 5 p.m. Waverly around 5:05 p.m. Denver around 5:10 p.m. Elbourne around 5:15 p.m. Surrey and Cabin Point around 5:20 p.m. Rouseville around 5:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Vicksville, Taylor's Corner, Booth Fort, Carsley, Ponds, Chippewa State Park, Spring Grove, Bethel Church, Lumberton, and Ellis Fork. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, V.